Hey guys, how are we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Monday, our weekly Monday update on those 27 altcoins that we are keeping track of. This is the 9th week now, so I will take you guys over to that spreadsheet and we can have a look how we're getting on, because we're actually doing pretty well. I'm quite pleased with how this is going. So yeah, you can see the weekly change. I've had a good weekly change this week in USD value, and they're up by 16% this week, and BTC value are actually up by 20%. So even against BTC, we are up more. These altcoins are. So yeah, obviously that's good. That's good to see. USD value, we are up now 180%. Since the beginning, and in BTC value we jumped from last week. We're on 80. Oh, you can't see it. Let me scroll over a little bit. Last week you can see we were 82% up in BTC overall since the beginning, and we're actually now 118%, so we have doubled. And if you want to have a look at what's been doing it, pretty much our biggest gainer. Bear in mind, guys, I said to you guys, these are roughly in my order of favorites, with basically the top half being my favorites, and then I mean the order not necessarily being 100%. So we've now got KSM 585% up, and out of 27 altcoins that I picked, KSM being my number one favorite, is up 585%, which is more than any of the other ones. So there you go guys. So I called it, I picked the one, and KSM has been the top, my favorite coin, 580%. Dot, another one of my favorites, up 300%. So not many coins have beaten that. One coin there, only, and then yeah, and then Pluton or Plutus, whatever it is, that has beaten it. So only two other coins have beaten my second place. So yeah, and obviously we've got right up there we have PCX up there as one of my favorites, with over 500% as well. And yeah, I mean realistically guys, look at it, it is good. What have we got in the negative? Yeah, Haven Protocol is actually down since the beginning. The only coin down 22%, but I mean obviously our average is 179% up. So yeah, not only am I very pleased about this, the gains against BTC as well, but yeah, especially proud of myself, especially proud of myself for my number one pick. Out of all the coins I could have picked, obviously some coins out of the whole ecosystem are higher, but out of all the coins I picked, the 27 coins I picked, my number one coin is number one in the gains now after 9 weeks. My number two coin is basically fourth position. So yeah, very pleased guys. So yeah, just been a great run for these altcoins guys, and yeah, I've basically been smashing these altcoins yeah, the whole time, as you guys would have seen from my Binance challenge and various other videos. So yeah, that is it guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.